A very good day to e-tutor and my fellow friends. My name is Whitney Binti Jaimis. So today I am going to talk about, is child development more influenced by nature, which is genetic, or by environment, or combination of both? Before I go through that, I would like to give a short definition for genetic and environment. Genetic factors refer to characteristic and tendency carried from birth through child DNA, while environmental factors refer to all the experiences, the social interactions, education, culture, and home condition of the child after birth. So, what is my stand between genetic vs environment? For me, child development is influenced by combination of both factor, which is genetic and environmental. The interaction between these two is the key. So this is the three main reasons that may support my arguments for my stand. So for my first argument, genetic actually determine the physical potential and psychological predispositions. For example, the influence of heritability on temperament, brain function, and personality traits. So there's actually a recent twin studies and brain studies. Some cognitive emotional function linked to both genetic and environmental factors. It was done by Neuroscience Research Australia or University New South Wales. They found that some cognitive or emotional tasks are influenced by both. To make it simple, a child may be born with predisposition for musical activity, which is they got from genetic, but without the support of nurturing and stimulating environment, the potential may not develop. So the next argument would be the second argument. So on recent studies, nurture is not just complementary factors. It can be activated and deactivated gene expression through epigenetic mechanisms. So what are the example for my second argument? The second example is living care, early cognitive stimulation, and good school environment play a major impact on the development as outlined in Erik Erikson's theory. So a child when born with a genetic risk for emotional problems may have better outcomes if their care and surrounding are strong, with guidance, emotional support, and environment stability. So my third argument is modern research shows that not only genetic plus environment additive, but the interaction between genetic and environment is very important. So the context of psychosocial development, as Erikson theory suggested, each crisis or stages can be influenced by genetic as well the environmental conditions. So adolescents with a genetic predisposition to curiosity or risk-taking may form an identity. You can refer to Erikson stage 5. If they are helped by mentor and have a supportive environment, so without this, the identity confusion may rise, even though they have a good genetic. So my summary is the environment is not just an additive factor, but it interacts dynamically with genetics to shape the final outcome of the children development. That's all for today. Thank you for your time and thank you for listening.